Welcome, sir. Welcome to Latias Spa. Let's sit first. So, before the massage, I will ask you about your condition and contraindications. Okay. First, total types of contraindications. You have fever, sir?
No.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a...
Next. Thank you, sir. We will proceed to our next procedure.
Okay.
So, sir, let's check your temperature by thermometer in 30 seconds. Cut. Cut. Sir, it's already 30. Next, sir, we are check your BP. Sir, your BP is 120/80. And your body temperature, sir, is 36 degrees po. Thank you, sir. Wait for a while. I will preparing your massage bed.
One eternity later.
So, we are performing the different type of massage. First, the effleurage, brace effleurage. A gliding massage is used to stimulate circulation, warm up, and prepare the body for deeper work. We are performing the different massage techniques. First, the effleurage, brace effleurage. Gliding massage is used to stimulate circulation, warm up, and prepare the body for deeper work. Massage. A quick, rhythmic, and lifting and squeezing of the muscles believed to improve and loosen tight fibers. Sir, wake up. The massage is over.
3:28 a.m.
Sir, here's the drink. Sir, are you comfortably in massage? Sir, here's the drink. Sir, are you comfortably in massage? Sir, here's the drink. Sir, are you comfortably in massage?
Service 71 always. Service 71 always.
Here's the drink, sir.
Thank you.
Are you comfortable in massage?
I'm comfortable and relaxed. I'm comfortable and relaxed. I'm comfortable and relaxed. I'm comfortable and relaxed.
Thank you for choosing our service. Have a good day.